guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna play again Airplane, by Roblox. So today I'm gonna play last time I made the episode of Airplane part, like episode Airplane 1. So today I'm gonna play Airplane 2. So I'm going right now inside a plane. So I just went inside this plane. Okay, so two people came. One is me and one is this Raby. I don't know what is his ID. Okay, so wait. How many seconds is it taking? Leave if a like if you enjoy the game. Okay, so guys, the same. If you like this video, give a like. So guys, if you don't like this video, so put a dislike. So guys, I wish that you will like this video. So which is my seat? So this is not my seat. Where is my... wait, is this mine? Nope. Is this mine? Okay, so this seat is mine. So guys, in the last episode of the Airplane 1, I could not record the video full because I got killed by some airplane. So this is Airplane 2. So guys, I said, so guys, in the what I was saying, that in the last episode of Airplane, I could not play it completely because in the last time I got killed by all those monster snakes. So I guess in this part also all those monsters and all are there. So I wish that this time the video go good. Like last time also the video was going good, but that was like I just got killed by all those snakes. Lol. So I'm going and sitting in my seat. So that's all. So here is my ID written DXR Shubham 1. So Pilot Kelly. We still don't understand how the last time. So they are talking about the last time that last time the some like after when I just I guess I have played this once and I just won. So last time when I played like before some days. So that time I guess like the last time like they were. The pilot got lost by something, like their control or something happened. So guys, so this thing, oh wait, what, the airplane just got turned off like something. So wait, this is Pilot Kelly. Yo Darshan, I don't know what is his name. Thanks you for your cooperation. Okay, thank you. Same to you. Okay. So guys, right now Diwali is going on. So guys, happy Diwali in advance. So guys, wish you all a happy Diwali. So guys, I would tell that guys, please don't burst crackers in this time because Corona is going on, and from the crackers, all the smokes, all the people's like they can get more cough, and also guys, please don't burst all the crackers and all. So here is a service room. So there is a broom right here, and I don't know what are these, shampoo I guess. And what is this? Wait, what? Who is he? Welcome agent. Welcome to the presidential airplane. Presidential I guess. So I don't know what is it. I don't care also for what is it. And congratulations for what you have done your country. I don't know what is he saying. I don't care also because I don't know what and all they just write. And I'm going and sitting in my seat. Lol. I don't care. I have to not go and sit in my seat. I'm just saying from that time I don't care. I'm just mad or what. Okay, so wait, what is this? Oh, so I have to go right now in the service room and I have to go and get some broom I guess. but there is someone who must know that before. So I should get the broom, I guess. So president is very special. All the countries' president is of course special, and this is just crazy. We are walking on these glasses. That's all president should be almost. Why don't you guys grab a glass of water while we wait? So I am going and getting the broom. I just knew it that something will happen like that. I guess the water is gonna fall from the glass or something while we wait. Reebok, I don't know what. All the boats user ID is I don't know what is the meaning of their user ID. Well, there is no meaning of the user ID in any game. Whatever game we play, we don't know what is the meaning of the user ID. And the water fell. Oh no, look at this mess. The president is going to be so mad. He's flying something to clean this mess. Or else we have to lock this. I don't know what this is. Wait, what? Karuna. I'm sorry. It's the habit. Anyways, welcome to an airplane. So this airplane is of this president. Okay. So my name is Ronald. Yeah, it's seen. Okay, so some state. I just didn't see that. What is that state's name? We have a delicious meal prepared for this special moment. Okay, what is that? I wish that I am the chef. Food is not ready yet. I believe the chef messed up. What? Throw that chef off this plane. Okay, so who is the chef? We take care of him, Mr. President. I don't know who is the chef. I wish that I am the chef because I have not gone once also. Yeah, Reebok, he looked like a good chef. How do we know that he's a good chef? I don't care. Okay. But Mr. President, I have never cooked. Will you better learn quick or I'll throw you out of the plane? What a dirty president is he. He don't have sense. He's throwing his own country's person out of this plane. He's like a waste fellow president. He's waste. Lol. So right now, you grab the wrong ingredients. So I don't know what is it. I don't know what was his user ID. He threw him out of the plane, and right now, how is the soup ready? I don't know who made the soup. Enjoy. Okay. I'm not able to drink. The soup. Soup is waste. Okay. So guys, if I just keep playing this full game, so the video is gonna be very big. So guys, that's all for today's video. Make sure you please like, share, subscribe, and comment. So I'll see you in my next video. Then take care and bye bye.